Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can change your online status on your Discord account. Like you can add do not disturb, invisible or something else on your Discord app. Or simply you can add online on your Discord account. So for that just open your Discord app on your mobile phone. When you open this, at below you can see there are many options. Go to your profile at this view option. When you click on your profile option, now here you can see with your name there is an option called there's your profile icon option, and there is a small green dot. So click on this your small green dot. When you click on this, here you can see there are different online status. The first one is online. When you click on this online status, you will be visible as online to all others, your friends or others. The second one is idle. The third one is do not disturb. The last one is invisible, which you want no one can see, no one will see you as online. You can add this invisible. So it is up to you which online status you want to showcase on your profile.